But now we need to weave in that first yarn tail. And since we're making a doll, we're making this little cube, we don't have to do a lot of fanciness to weave in our ends. We're just going to run our yarn needle, our tapestry needle, under the V's of the stitches, and I'm going to go most of the way across. Okay, just running it under there. And depending on how big the end of your tapestry needle is, if your stitches are nice and snug, nice and tight, it may be a little tougher to pull that yarn needle through. There we go. Once we've pulled it through, notice how I kind of tugged everything back a little bit. If you pull this yarn tail real tight, it does that. We don't want to distort our square. So you can pull it tight. Just go ahead and give everything back a little bit of a tug back to smooth it out.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and leave us a comment.